So I told no, this 7 days God takes in creating everything once again. So after God created the angels, then in that war of God versus angel, everything got destroyed. So God had to create everything again. So in order to create humans, first he had to make this destroyed earth. He had to renovate and do the patch up and recreate it once again. Earth was already there actually before humans only, in the time of angels only, but it was in destroyed form. So he had to create it again and make up the patchwork and wanted to bring life back to earth. Earth was fully destroyed completely in that war of God versus angels. So God went on creating everything. So in 7 days God went on creating everything. First day God made the sun and moon, and second day the spirit of God, the ghost of God will move over the waters, oceans of the earth and purify it completely, saltify it and kill all the bacteria, fully purify it and cleanse it. And on the third day God tells all the oceans to come on one side, and so that land will be formed. When all the waters will come on one side, this land, dry land will appear, and so like that humans can live on land now. So before creating humans, he has to make this earth perfect. So third day, like that, he separated the sea and land. And fourth day God told the oceans to create fishes and birds, and the oceans went on creating fishes and birds. They are almost same now, fish and birds. Say they have some connection. So ocean only created the fishes and birds, and the fifth day God told the land to create animals, and God went on making all type of seeds, all different types of vegetables, fruits, all type of seeds he made and put it inside the ground. But it didn't allow rain to come, so that's why, because of no rain, the seeds didn't sprout and give out plants. So all the seeds were in the land. On fifth day God told land to make animals, and all animals were made, and all seeds were inside the ground, and no plants grown because rain didn't come. God didn't allow rain to come. So on the sixth day God took out sand in his hand and then gave it a shape of a man, and then he blew his powerful life-giving air into the sand. And then that sand, when that air went into the sand, that sand and air combination, that human will come. Like that, this human comes from the sand. God creates man in his own hand, in his own image. That's why man is a special creation, because God didn't create angel with his own hand, but humans he made in his own hand, that shape of the body. The same shape of God only God gave to man also. God took this sand, and then he makes it in the form of man. That sand thing, he gives it a shape of man, and like a toy he makes a man like toy. And for that toy God blows air, and when that life-giving air went into the sand, that sand got life, and that's how human is created. So on the sixth day God created man, and that man, first man Adam, was called Adam. And on the seventh day God took rest from all this work, because God was also tired, and that's on Sunday. So that's why, since God took rest on Sunday it is mandatory for all Christians to take rest, and only take rest from their duty from Monday to Saturday, and spend Sunday completely on worshipping God. Like that, this Sunday worship came actually, because on seventh day God rested. So because God rested on seventh day, even Christians who are followers of God, even it's for them also mandatory to rest on Sunday and completely devote that day in the worship of God. No doing work, no doing job. Monday to Saturday you do work, and Sunday complete rest. So like that, this Sunday worship actually came for these Christians who are actually followers of God. So in 7 days God went on creating everything. So in 6 days in 7th day God took rest. On 6th day God created man. So like that, in 7 days God created everything. And then God made one garden in earth called Eden Garden, and there God placed Adam. Okay, God placed Adam there, and God made him a farmer, and that was the first duty of man. Man was actually farmer. And then God told Adam to take care of the plants, water them, do all the agriculture things, take care of the crops and give food to animals. At that time there was no bad thing on this earth, everything was good. No, so lions were playing like dogs. Yeah, there was no bad on earth, everything was good. Even animals didn't know what is bad, even humans themselves don't know what is bad. Everything was good. He was playing with lions, wild animals, all were like his pets. So Adam was only alone. So God told, he's very lonely, we need to make one woman for him as a partner. All lioness, tiger, tigress, all the animals are partners, but Adam is a lonely man, he doesn't having any partner. That's why God tells, why not we should make a woman. So God actually took again sand and gave it a form of a woman and then blew life. And she was called Lilith. But Lilith, what happened? She didn't become wife of Adam because she didn't want male dominating over female. She wanted female dominating over male. Like she wanted to be husband and she wanted Adam to be her wife. So like that, some superior. She was like feminist. Like women should be above man, like that. So like that, she divorced Adam and she's not interested to be below Adam, to be submissive wife to him. Then she leaves Eden Garden. God also she leaves. Husband Adam also she leaves. Then she goes out of Eden Garden, and then that's how she is lost. Then she goes out of the Eden Garden. So this Lilith is there. No, this Lilith then does sex with the devils. Actually, that Lucifer and his angels, with Lucifer, I guess. With that devil only, this Lilith, this woman, human and devil, then they will do sex and they will combine, and then this human and devil combination only, like that many other woman demons will be formed. So like that, there are no female gods actually, but there are female demons, because sex was happened between woman and devils, not between woman and god. So goddesses and all are not there, actually demonesses are there. So this human form woman, and then that devil guy, they both then had sex, and then she becomes mother of demons and mother of devils. So like that, this bad girl female creatures are there, but good angelic creatures are not there. Female angels are also not there, female god is also not there, but female demons are there, female devils are there, female evil ghosts are there, female bad spirits are there, all those are there. So like that, this Lilith becomes mother of demons, bad spirits, bad ghosts, because she does sex with devils and demons, not with human, not with god. She divorced Adam and went out of the Garden of Eden. So she left God, left her husband Adam. She didn't wanted to be his wife. She left that Eden Garden. So like that, after the first creation of man, Adam, God created the first woman, Lilith. But Lilith didn't obey God's voice. She didn't want to be submissive to her husband. So she rejects her husband. She rejects God. Left all of them. Left that Eden Garden. Left that all, and she comes out to a different place. She comes out of that garden and goes somewhere around earth, somewhere she goes, and then she meets devils, these fallen angels, and then they do sex, and then this Lilith becomes the mother of demons and all these bad spirits. So like that, female angels, female gods are not there, but female devils, female evil spirits, female bad ghosts, all are there. All these female category in devils are there, but in good things it's not there. Only in bad things all these female versions are there. So like that, this human and devil combinations are there, and like that's how this Lilith becomes the mother of demons. So the devils can come to earth, they can come to earth, they can go back to hell, they are free. So like that, she meets the devil, and then she meets bad angels, and then she does sex with them, and she marries them, and so like that, Lilith becomes the mother of demon and devils. So these bad angels can come to earth, they can do all the bad things. God has given permission for them to come to earth. They can come to earth, but they cannot come to heaven. That's it, they are kicked out of heaven, but not to earth. These bad angels, they can come to earth anytime, they can do. So like that, she gets completely spoiled, becoming mother of demons and devils. That's how.